When learning to trade for the first time, any chart can seem overwhelming and confusing. But it may be surprising to learn that the complexity you see in front of you is built on a relatively small set of data. Usually this is just price data on its own, or sometimes price data and volume data from an exchange or brokerage. An indicator is designed like a mathematical equation or computer algorithm. As your trading platform receives the prices from your brokerage, the data is fed into the indicator's algorithm, which outputs the results onto the screen for you to use. Each indicator has its own unique way of calculating the price data. Some will perform this task in a very simple way. Others will use complicated mathematical equations to give you the analysis that you're looking for. Usually some historical data is used as part of the calculation process, which means most indicators have an inherent quality which you need to be aware of before using them. They lag behind the current price, the here and now. This can mean when a market moves very quickly, you may find the indicator you're using takes a little time to catch up. But don't worry, this situation is the same for everyone else following the indicator. Part of your learning is to understand that all indicators go through periods of time when they perform their job better than others. As you start practicing using them, you'll start to learn to adapt and accommodate for any flaws they may have. So let's open up the MT4 workspace and I can show you where in the platform the indicators live. We'll go through how to apply them to a chart, how you can access and change some of the settings, and how you can remove them.
Okay, so when we're looking at the platform, we want to be able to see the navigator window. Now, if you can't see it, all you need to do is click on View in the top left-hand corner and scroll down to Navigator. Now, if you click on that, you should be able to see the navigator in the bottom left-hand corner. Now, this is where all of the MT4 indicators are kept, and if you scroll that down, you'll see that there's a lot of different types. You've got trend indicators, oscillators, volume indicators, and if you toggle these down, you'll see how many there are. Now, they've all been designed to do different things and show you different attributes in the market. So to apply any indicator to your chart, all you need to do, if we select this euro dollar chart, make it full screen, is simply pick it up and move it over and drop it on. Hit OK, and there you've got the indicator itself on the chart. Now, if you'd like to see more than one indicator, all you need to do is pick it up and move it over and drop it on. Now, what you'll start to see that many of the indicators sit on the price chart itself, but some sit underneath. So, for example, this one here, MACD, that has its own window underneath the price chart. Now, many indicators allow the trader to change or tweak the input settings so that they can be tailored to what you need. Now, to do that, simply right-click on the screen and go to the indicator list, and then move up to the indicator that you want to change, hit it, and then press Edit. And then from here you can change all kinds of different things. You can change the colors, you can switch the settings around, or if you want to reset everything back to default, you just need to hit the reset button. Okay, so if you then also want to delete an indicator, just right click on the chart again, go to the indicator list, select it and hit delete. Now, later in this module, we're going to break down some of the most commonly used indicators and explain a little more about what they do and how they're used. But for now, let's just practice being able to activate them so you can start experimenting for yourself. And don't forget, in the meantime, if you have any questions about anything that we've covered in the video, please do feel free to send me a direct message, or alternatively, you can ask any of the analyst team in the next live stream.